Hey G Squad, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a creative idea that you can do with mashed potatoes when you have them left over, say after Thanksgiving, and you want to eat them differently. Well, your girl's got you covered. We are going to be doing fried mashed potatoes. That's right. I'm going to show you how I made these fried mashed potato patties. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. Alright family, so in this bowl I have some leftover mashed potatoes that I actually made from another recipe, my loaded meatloaf. And if you would like to see how I made these, then go check out that video. I'll make sure I'll attach it somewhere on the screen to this one, okay? So now they're already seasoned, so I'm going to go in now with, I have one large egg that I've already beat. And then in this cup, this is a half cup of all-purpose flour. Just going to dump that in. And now I'm just going to mix this together. Okay, so that's good enough. So now I'm going to grab my gloves to put them on so I can mix this up, make the, alright, so what I typically do is when I'm wearing gloves, I still like to wash them just to make sure. Okay, so now I'm going to pan over to the stove. Let me get y'all situated and then I'll pop back in. Okay, there we go, fam. So now the grease is hot. Okay. So now I'm going to start forming these patties, maybe like a quarter size. And you can make them as thick or as thin as you like, or as big or small. And that's hot because I can already smell it. So now I'm just going to place this in the greased pan. So if you find them cooking too fast, you can also lower your heat. So let me look at the first one that I put in and see how it's looking. Yeah, so it's ready to be turned over. And if you want it darker than that, just leave it in longer. So I'll allow these to fry for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll come back on when I'm ready to take these out and add more. Alright, so this is how they look. And so now what I want to do, because I want them to cook all around, I'm going to actually turn them on their side. So I'm going to stand it up like this on the side of my pan. Let it cook for a few minutes and then I'll rotate because I want to get that crispiness all the way through. So I'm just going to stand each one of them on its side. Come on, baby, cooperate. Like so. And after a few minutes, just rotate. Lower my heat some. It's always one that wants to be difficult. Okay, so these are pretty much ready to come out. So I have my napkin in here. That's going to drain the grease. Okay. That's that last batch. Alright, so I'll plate these and then I'll see you shortly. Okay, G Squad. And just like that, you have your fried mashed potato patties, okay? And I just added some ketchup to that. And another thing that will go really well with this, if you had like some what is it, sour cream, you could do the plain, or you could do the sour cream and chives. It would go so well with this, but you know, again, only thing I had really was ketchup, so I added ketchup with it, which is fine too. But that's what it's looking like. These are great appetizers, you know, to snack on. You could, you know, just use them for whatever you decide to use them for, but yeah. I just wanted to, like I said, give you a different option if you just, you know, have leftover mashed potatoes and you wanted to do something different to them. So you're still going to have the same, pretty much same texture on the inside, but with a little crunch on the outside. Okay. That's how it's looking. All right, do a little dippy dip. And then the sauce. So you have the crispiness from the frying and then the creaminess from the mashed potatoes. Oh, that's so good. Wow. Yep. So there you have it. Y'all, let me move this because you know I have to do a thumbnail, so my presentation has to be on point. Okay, so there you have it. So G Squad, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have never heard of fried mashed potato patties, it's kind of like, I guess, one of those tater tots, but these are mashed potato tarts. Alright, so comment below if you ever had these before, if you heard of it before. And of course, I always say if you try it, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is always listed in my on my cooking channel. You just click up there and it'll take you right to it, and just add a photo. But they're really, really delicious, really delicious. So I will see y'all in the next video. I love you so much, all of you. And, just stay uplifted, stay prayed up. We have this, we're in this together, no matter what's going on outside, in the world. Just, take your cue from God, because that's what I do, okay? So with that being said, love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.